This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
You bad, cause it's bit bad. She want me the bag, like chips at the front. Lift up, I fly like a pelic in my bed. I lay in my way, hella quick. They get to the hook up on the elephant cut. My trunk, yeah, it's in the front. Of course, it's in the back. This a big. This a real big difference. You just want a club. I just need them racks. You just want a party. I just want a rock.
This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and so I got an issue with the town car. The air conditioning isn't working. Yesterday I brought it over to Silver Arrow Service. He checked the how much refrigerant was in the system, and come to find out that it didn't leak. It was still holding all the correct amount of refrigerant. However, the high pressure side was very high. So that led him to replace the orifice tube. It's like a little filter, and here's a picture of it up here. And you can see the new one on the left and the clogged one over on the right that had all sorts of bits and crap in it. So we found that the compressor wasn't actually kicking on in the car, so he had suggested that we replace one of the sensors in there. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and then hopefully we can get this working again, because the hot weather is upon us now. So let's get started. Right, so here's the part that we're going to be replacing, and this is we got this from O'Reilly Auto Parts, and what it is just basically a sensor. If I can get it out of the box here. A sensor that goes in right over here. I don't know if you can see it, but it basically twist locks in. Plug in the sensor for that, and then at that point we're going to reset the computer and then turn on the air conditioning. Hopefully we'll get cold air. So it's always fun sticking my hands in here, and it's kind of a tight spot, but we just twist, unlock. Here's the old sensor, and I just got to remove the electrical clip. Then I'm going to put the new one in, lock it back in. All right, so we got the new one there. Just going to lock that together. So just got the clip in. Now I'm just going to route this back into its hole. Okay, and get it to lock into place. There it is. It appears to be in. I'm just going to double check that, then we'll fire it up. So one thing I forgot to mention, so this part is made by Standard. It's available at O'Reilly's Auto Parts. It's an AX25 temperature sensor for the air conditioning. And before I do anything else, I need my scan tool. Just want to check it before I and clear it before I fire up the AC. Yes, this is a Lincoln Town car. Okay. And enter. So we're going to see what's going on here. See if we got some codes, which I'm sure we do. So we got 4 ECM codes. Air conditioning evaporator temperature circuit low voltage. Okay. So we are going to erase these codes. Yes. Okay. And we're just going to go through, clear all the codes, restart the car, then restart the air conditioning. So I'll cut to the starting part. All right, moment of truth. Lights out. Let's just give it a moment. Let's hit the AC button. And I heard the air conditioning click on. Let's see if we're getting cold air. Oh, beautiful. Oh, this is great. Real simple fix, folks. Real simple fix. As long as you check all the other things. But yeah, we definitely we got the AC working. It's blowing nice cool air. Well, that worked out great. So we got it all fixed. I got air conditioning just in time for summer. Anyways, if you guys thought this video was helpful or you enjoyed it, be sure to give the video a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.